Hi guys, so I kind of look like pretty garbage right now, but my iPad came today and I think some people said that they wanted an unboxing video, so let's see how that goes. Alright, first we're going to unbox this. I'm not really too sure how to open. Oh, well, we have here, we pull this and then we open the top and wow. Oh, yeah, the box is pretty big. I got the 12.9 inch because I am pretty visually impaired. No, the 12.9 inch I heard is really good for drawing. So yeah, so this is the front of the box, and then the side says iPad Pro, and then the back just has all your I don't know, detail specs. I got the 128GB one because I'm kind of cheap. Well, the iPad's already pretty expensive, so just got the cheapest option. Alright, continuing with our unboxing video, I have also gotten the 2nd generation Apple Pencil because the whole reason why I got the iPad is just to draw, really, but also to like watch anime, read manga, maybe like also take notes for class. But I'll try. Okay, so I just peeled that side off. Luckily it's pretty accessible. Now you can see iPad Pro pretty quickly. I mean, clearly. I can't talk. Alright, and taking the plastic wrapping off, and wow. The box is so smooth, you know? To be honest, I can't really see the other side of the camera that well, so anyways, so then we lift this bad boy cover off, and wow! I literally thought this was the back of the iPad. This is the front of the iPad. It comes with this paper-ish like cover, and oh, it's pretty thin, you know? So we have this thin side here. Got the silver color, cause I just think it, I don't know. All my other things are space gray. I just wanted to change. Of course I didn't customize anything. There's like, I don't know if the camera can see, but there's like 3 dots here. I'm not too sure what the 3 dots do, but well, I guess we'll look into that later. And then we have the hot pot camera here, which is, yeah, apparently it's really good for like AR and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, we'll definitely get to try that out later. So this is the iPad. And then what else comes in this box is, of course, the, I think this is like the manual, and it comes with a couple Apple stickers. Yeah, I haven't really opened anything from Apple in a while. And then, wow, the USB-C to USB-C plug, I'm guessing. It's like the one I have for my laptop right now, and it's just, it looks smaller, and yeah, this is the power plug for that. Let's see if I, wow. Okay, that was not a cool rip of plastic, but man, I really don't want to take this plastic covering off because I really don't want to scratch it. But I have to put the case on, and like, it's not like I'm going anywhere. But like, I gotta put the case on. Anyways, that's all for my unboxing for my iPad and my pencil. And I also got a case, of course, for my $899 iPad because I really don't want to kill it. And this case unwrapping is pretty anticlimactic, but my dad got me a really nice case off Amazon. Not too sure what the material is. Let's open this part and see. I feel like it's Christmas. It's not Christmas. It's just beginning of May. We've been in quarantine for a while. So yeah, oh wow, this material is pretty smooth on the front, and the back is just like this hot pot camera size, you can see. Yeah, and oh, I think something just fell out. But there's, oh, warranty. In here, there's the kind of case for the pencil, because I really needed one since I think I lost the pencil pretty easily. Let's take this foam thing out. The sides aren't very protective, I would say. I feel like they could have done a better job with the the sides, making the sides more protective. I might get another case later, maybe. I might return. I'm not sure. I'll just see how this works out. So this is the aftermath. I took off the thing, the plastic covering, and put it in the case. I do see why the case is like this. It's because there's like 4 speakers on the whole iPad, and yeah, I put the pencil in here too, and it's looking pretty good so far. It's also pretty cool is that apparently like there's like a double tap feature that like you can change to the eraser really easily, which is pretty neat. This can only stick on this side and it can't stick on this side, so if I want to charge it then I have to like leave it out in the open, which is a little bit concerning, but I guess it will work. Alright, thanks for watching my unboxing video. It was pretty anticlimactic. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for iPad content. Yay!